Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated model, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass. The Cutlass nameplate has been around for decades, and now it's back in a bold, modern form. This review will cover everything you need to know, from the interior to the exterior, its performance on the road, and of course, what it'll cost you. So, let's jump right in. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass carries that unmistakable muscle car vibe, but with a fresh, contemporary twist. The first thing you'll notice is its aggressive stance. The front end is dominated by a bold grille with a mesh design, flanked by sleek, sharp LED headlights that give the car a fierce look, especially at night. The wide body lines flow seamlessly to the rear, showing off a slightly sculpted and muscular profile. The hood features subtle vents that add to the performance aesthetic, and the iconic 442 badging is placed with pride on the sides. It's clear Oldsmobile wanted to honor the heritage while bringing the car into the future with this design. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Cutlass impresses with a perfect mix of old-school charm and modern technology. As you slide inside, you're greeted with leather-trimmed seats that offer both style and comfort. The front seats are deeply bolstered, designed to keep you in place when you're pushing the car's performance limits. The dashboard has a vintage feel, but incorporates modern digital displays. The central infotainment system is a large, crisp touchscreen with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, making it easy to connect your devices. The cockpit is driver-focused with a thick steering wheel, and there are high-quality materials throughout: soft-touch plastics, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum. The rear seats are spacious, with plenty of legroom for passengers, so this muscle car isn't just about performance, it's got practical everyday usability too. Now, let's talk performance. The heart of the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass is its powerful engine options. You've got a choice between a high-performance V8 engine and a more fuel-efficient turbocharged four-cylinder. The V8 is where the magic happens, cranking out around 480 horsepower, making it a true muscle car. The sound alone is worth the price of admission. The engine growls when you start it up, and at full throttle, it really comes to life. With a 0 to 60 time of just over 4 seconds, this car is fast. The suspension has been tuned for a balance between comfort and handling, so whether you're cruising down the highway or taking it through tight corners, it feels solid. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with the 8-speed automatic transmission, delivers a smooth yet responsive drive. The handling is precise, and it feels connected to the road, making for an engaging driving experience whether you're pushing it on a track or just enjoying a spirited drive on your favorite backroads. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass comes in a few different trims, so you can expect a range of prices depending on the configuration. For the base model with the turbocharged engine, prices start around $45,000, and if you're going for the high-performance V8 with all the bells and whistles, you'll be looking at closer to $60,000. But considering the performance, design, and technology you're getting, that's a competitive price in the muscle car segment, especially with the rich heritage that the 442 name carries. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass is a standout. It blends nostalgia with modern flair, offering a driving experience that'll make enthusiasts smile. Whether you're into classic muscle cars or just want a stylish, powerful ride, the 442 Cutlass checks all the boxes. The exterior design is bold, the interior offers comfort and tech, and the performance is absolutely thrilling. If you're thinking about buying one, you're definitely getting value for the price. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the new 442 Cutlass? Would you go for the V8 powerhouse, or stick with the more efficient turbocharged option? Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.